As it catches sight of a fish, there's a momentary hover. Their focus can adjust for the refraction effects of the water. The dive is nearly vertical. Just before hitting the water, its legs are thrown forward, thrusting talon-tipped feet through the water. With a diet that's 99% fish, they've become well suited to getting wet. Their wings are the most waterproof of any raptor. Even more extraordinary is how they manage to helicopter back up into the air. Key to this feat are the large flight muscles centered in the chest and their characteristic V-shaped wings bent at the wrist joint. Even without a run-up or a perch, they can generate airflow across their wings to create lift. Spearing and holding on to a wriggling fish isn't easy.